Hello guys, hello everyone. CPI day. We catch amazing trade on SPY 3000 on SPX 900 or on SPY 390. Made 7K on calls today. We catch the calls nearly from the bottom on the retest of the VWAP. My stop loss was under the VWAP, but we need to understand something to the risk to reward. The implied volatility is little high today. That's why I made only 7K on this trade. I put near 200K. This is my medium size on this trade. My stop loss was under the VWAP, but on all this, I catch the trade from here. Here I was building a position. All this up, and the position was up only 10, 11, 12% on runners when I closed everything. I sell in multi-stages. If this was a normal day, I should be up more than that, maybe 20, 19, 18. This is exactly the same amount or the same percentage as my stop loss. So when I build the final position is 100K, my final stop loss, my maximum stop loss is at 20%. So I'm expecting if we push under the VWAP, it will be 20% maximum. I will close it. The lose will be $20,000. On the upside, I was expecting we push even more. My profit target was 393, 394. But the push is already come, and the money I was planning to make also 20, 30%. But the implied volatility is still high for tomorrow and for today. So the premium was not the best. Overall, I'm very happy with my profit. Something people need to understand: when I put 100K on any trade, that doesn't mean I risking all the 100K, okay? Or when I put 10K, that doesn't mean I'm risking the whole money. I'm risking only 20 or 25% from the money. And on the profit taken, I take my profit in multi-stages and I leave runners. I did not leave any runners today because I saw the premium is not the best, losing value very fast. And overall, it was amazing day. As you can see here, I share all my trades on Discords. Oh, by the way, we catch Meta. Meta was crazy today, but we wanted to see some retest before we took the trade. We catched it from here. I was planning to take the trade if I see a retest here on this the resistance became the new supports 185 and push it, but the retest was not there. One contract was up almost. I took only one contract at the open. The contract was up 80% at some point. Anyway, amazing trade, focusing only on SPY, SPX, and amazing day. As you can see here, I share all my trades on Discord. The average price, the size, when I in, when I am out. We have amazing community here with the people. Everyone is agreeing today. Really happy when I see everyone agreeing every day. People learn not only to take my trade, they learn to take their own trades and use me like just a confirmation. And this is the best way to make money. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the video. I will have to cut the voice on the video because the computer I use for trading, I don't have mic. There was some noise. Enjoy the video, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Here's the live trade. I'm recording this voice actually after already made the trade because my computer that I used for trading, I don't have mic, so there was some noise. I used the mic for the Discords on my another computer, another laptop. So as you can see here, I start a lotto position here, very small position, just to watch the premium. I was waiting some pullback to the VWAP or anything, then I start sizing up. When I take a small size like 10 contracts, 20 contract, I always have no stop loss. Because the size is very small. I can take bigger losses. As you can see here, when I first take it, there was a push, but I never get FOMO. I never added at this push because, as you know, it was very risky to edit. I will always add it to my trade when I have pullback. When I see the retest, because the retest strategy was working perfect lately, but the breakout strategy was not really working, and we have CPI data came as expecting, number 6, so I'm expecting some chop price action. Anyway, I saw there is some momentum to the upside. I start edit, but edit slowly, but still building the position. 10,000 is actually my lotto size, 50,000 small size, 100k. This trade cost me 100k. 100k is lotto size. Anything above 100, 200 is heavy size for me, because I was expecting a slow price action today. I thought it is not really worth to size up, and I was 100% right, because the premium was not really the best and was losing value. And this trade actually I should be up at least 20% on the move, because I barely catch the calls from the bottom. When we have the retest at the view up, I start building my position. As you can see, guys, but the premium not the best today, because the implied volatility is still very high, all because CPI. As you can see that this is a live trade. I read at some point, but I never scared or panic sell off or something like that. I always follow my plan, and red days is part of the game. I am absolutely understand this 100%. As you can see here, I'm down 12, but the size is still small. So when I'm still a lotto size, I don't have any my stop loss only level, not a percentage. I was waiting we break the view up, then this is my stop loss, but the view up breaking never came, and we hold twice at the view up. You will see the chart actually in the upcoming minutes. When I'm holding a small size, as a few minutes ago, when you saw me, guys, I'm up 6, 7, 8 on lotto size. It is not worth for me to take a profit. I take a profit above 10 in multi-stages. I was trying today to take profit in multi-stages many times, but the premium was very bad. And as you can see, I'm checking the flow. Still in the lotto size. Absolutely, I have another screen for charting. That's why you don't see the chart here. I have actually 2 screens. At most of the time I use only one for SPY. I have big screen only for SPY. And I have another small screen with 8 windows. I watch the big names like Apple, Microsoft. Absolutely, as you know, a lot of things happening with the bank sector. So we have to watch also the bank sector. Market order is amazing on TradeStation platform. Almost the same full the price as buying the ask, and absolutely much faster. So I'm trying the market orders lately, and I always check the orders and see my full price still under test. If I see that I get full at the same price on the when I buying the ask, I will keep using the market order. Now I start building the position. Slowly. There was some momentum on this trade. I'm trying to edit. As you see that I'm trying to join to one contract to see if I'm getting filled. That's I'm making myself ready when I'm selling in multi-stages. Slowly building the position. This is how I build the position. As you can see that when I start the position, the average price was 3.55, but when I built the whole position, the average price went from 3.55 to 3.5, $3.50. This is absolutely not an average down. I was much down than that, well, but I never edit when I was down. I always wait the momentum, my premium back to break even or under 3.5, then I start edit. Right now I'm in the on the small size. Total cost for this trade 50,000. Right now my maximum stop loss on the small size is 40%. That means $20,000. my maximum stop loss on the small size. On medium size, my maximum stop loss 15 to 25 maximum. I don't know, I can't put exactly percentage because this will be different from trade to trade. But on medium size, I never let it go more than 20. Same heavy size. There will be some pullback to the VWAP. When I see the pullback, when I'm seeing the buying, I was seeing buying on the dip. With every pullback, there was buying. There was buying on the chart. Absolutely, I was live on the Discord when I'm in this trade and update everything. Our members made amazing profit today. So when I saw buying on the dip, I was decide to size up from small size to medium size. I already take the decision. I'm going to size up. Even when I'm size up, guys, I never size up one time. Okay, I size up slowly, especially because I'm expecting a slow price action. Sometimes I size up one time, but today I was expecting a slow price action because the CPI numbers, so I was sizing up slowly. Again, sizing up, still not in the medium size, less than the medium size. I will size up to the medium size when I see the momentum candle. They give me the confirmation for the calls. Oh, my kids, if you hear my kids, they've been crazy when I open the door. They know I finish trading at 11. I don't stay at the chart all the day. Absolutely. I always leave and enjoy my day. Sitting up in front of the chat all the day will cause you a lot of problems, health problem, physical problems. You make you angry, you will not be ready for tomorrow. So I'm trying to keep my mentality in shape. So when I'm done trading, I enjoy with my family, go outside. If I don't hit the gym at the morning, I go to the gym after I done. Whatever I need to stay on the chart. I check the chart from phone every 30-40 minutes to see what's going on. But they like today on CBI was come as expecting. I'm not expecting too much till next week, so it is not even worth for me to watch the chart or the premium. I'm checking the flow here. As you can see, the flow is very bullish. I have video on YouTube about the flow. We have the members here that sharing their RD. We have gold member. I trust them. They have the Go traders on our Discord. Get the code. It's for free. When I see their profits. Keep watching the trade, guys. Okay, as you can see here, no panic, no emotions, still holding the trade like a man. I know some people when they see themselves as red, they panic sell off, and after a few minutes they see themselves is back to green. Oh man, I wish I hold the trade. No, just stick to your rules, stick to your trades, stick to your profit. As you can see, I know you see I'm down 7k, but in this size, actually this not affect on me. My account is big, and this is smaller percentage from my account. So when you have a good risk management, there will be no emotions. But emotions will hit you when you size up so heavy. When you size up so heavy, The emotions will control on you, and you will make decision beside the emotions, not beside the plan. As you can see here, I never, it's okay for me. I was green in the past 2 weeks. So even if I take a lose, let's suppose on this size 20%, how much? $16,000? It's okay. I'm still green for the month. No problem for me. Still holding the trade. Still there. Still building the size. I did a little more. As you can see, I added it slowly to the position. I'm planning to go to medium size, above 100. Now I see big momentum. There was some buying on the dip here. We was at the view up. Amazing buying. This was, I believe, at 10 and exactly at the candles on the view up. 3 minutes chart, 10 on 14. 10 a.m. 14. There was big momentum candle that give me the confirmation that absolutely not. If on this setup, as you can see, even if I size up bigger, more $200,000-$300,000 base rate, but it is not worth, in my opinion, it is not worth. There was a lot of chop. Adam, how do you know that? Because CPI data, because CPI numbers. So some momentum again. There was buying. We have double top here. We're testing all day high. SPY trying to push. The bank sector was not really good. There was some chop price action. Meta was very strong. Nvidia strong. Nvidia, Meta very strong. JP Morgan was actually making SPY very weak, and the bank sector, as you know what's going on right now in the bank sector. Right now on this candle, I believe on the second candle, I saw some momentum, so that I decide to take the final contract to take my position to the medium size. This is above, as you can see here. We're trying to break on 3 minutes chart. It was perfect. I'm putting some level here. My stop loss, as you can see here, under the view up, and above all day high. Anything in the middle is chop price action, no trades. I mean, I will not hit. I will keep holding my trade in the middle. I have no reason to close the trade till we break the view up. Even when I'm editing the rest of the contract, as you can see, I'm getting ready. I'm putting all the contract. As you can see, always I have 271, 11, 21 contract. The one contract, when I close the whole position, I always leave one. Sometime when I'm thinking back to the trade, I leave always one. But today I did not even leave one. I sold everything because I was believing it's not really worth. So as you can see here, even the rest of the contract, only 5 contract, something like that, I was editing slowly. As you can see here, we have pullback to the chop zone. I never touch my position, never sold till we break the view up. That was the breaking the view up was my profit target, or stop loss target, sorry, stop loss target. The premium was holding very nice, but at the same time, when we pushed to the upside, the premium did not make a very good money. Because when I check the implied volatility for next day still very high. As you can see here, I'm editing the rest of the contract. That's it. I'm not editing anymore because this is a medium size, and I was planning to take the trade on the medium size. As you can see here, guys, how many times I was right? 12, 10, 7. I never added to my position. Every time I was back to break even or near to break even, I was added. You see there is buying on the dip. Every time we see red candles, there was buying on the dip. I trade most of the time only in the morning, because the morning, most of the trades work. Most of my setup work. Anything after 11, is the winning percentage is not really the same. On power hour, sometimes we catch amazing trades. But the goals here of trading is not stay in the front of the chart all the day. Although all the day you have, after you're done, just go and you can watch the position from phone very easy. Normally, most of my trade not take this time. Only the runners I hold till the end of the day. But most of the time, my trade does not really take this time because in the morning, the price action is a little faster. But today, the CPI data killed the move because the numbers came as expecting. Absolutely bullish number because less than the last month. Amazing trade here. I was getting ready to close the contracts. Right now, as you can see, I'm ready to sell everything. That's right now, after IB green. If I back to break even, my stop loses manually. On this candle, if I back to break even, I will sell. I will sell because we was trying to push above all-day high multi-time. If we reject here, I have zero reason. We already break. If this was a fake breakout, I have zero reason to hold the trade. Right now, I saw that I'm above 10. I'm trying to take my position in multi-stages. You will see that right now I will see pullback. On this pullback, I will take quarter or anything of my position just to lock some profits. Lock some profit. I have to lock some profit. Instead, if this trade come back to break even, I will out green. As you can see here, the closed BNL is 2.5. I'm still holding more than half of my position. I sold only 1.3. Trying to sell another 100 contract. Trying to sell at the join. 50 contract. Selling in multi-stages. I was really waiting. We push, but the premium was not helping. The premium was losing value very fast with every pullback, and I am already in the money. I'm already in the money. The premium should hold more than that. So with every pullback, the premium was very bad. So I have to take my profit. I have to. I can't let the green trade go back to red. Every time I have a trade above 10%, I never let it back to red. I always take my at least half of the position. As you can see here, every time I see a pullback, I take 50 contract, quarter, till I have only the runners. After I closed all the position, we even push even more than that on the chart, but the premium really did not make big move. I'm checking the bigger time frame here. As you can see, need to see the resistance, the supply area. Okay, here I decide that when I check the premium, okay, this is enough, not worth for me to hold more. Let me gain all the profits and leave all these small runners. Still holding quarter or less than a quarter actually on my position. I give it so many chances. As you can see, there was pushing actually on the price action here, but the premium is not making money. So that's it. This is not worth. Let me take the rest of the money. It's better to leave it on the table. Oh, I see. Waiting the push, no push. Okay, decide to sell. Selling the bid to get filled very fast, or the market. I hope you guys enjoy this trade, the live trade. I'm really planning to do more, but the bigger problem, every time I'm trying to record myself, I found that there's a problem. I size up. Anyway, I will try to use it to do this more. Like and subscribe, please, for more videos like this. Thank you all for your support. You can join us on the Discord link in the bio and trade live with us every morning. Thank you, everyone. I hope you green every single day. Bye-bye.